Groovy Rex back again with Rob and Tyler.
Hello.
And I see you got some Wasp for me.
Oh, yeah. So last time we listened to Rebel in the FDG, which you liked, which was good. It was. That's their fourth album. After that album, The Crimson Idol is the fifth album. And The Crimson Idol is a concept record. So, in theory, you should really hear the whole album. But you can still listen to individual songs without, getting the whole context of the story of the album down. The entire album is about like the rise and fall of a rock star. And I don't know if you want me to tell you what this song is about or not.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm not much of a lyric guy. I mainly listen to the beat.
Okay. Then you'll probably like this song. But this song is about where Chainsaw Charlie is the record company, basically, offering him his record contract. And it's kind of about how they fuck you, basically, is kind of what it's about.
That sounds about right. Yeah,
it's got, I'll say, interesting lyrics. There's some things in here you'll be like, that's interesting. But it's probably my second favorite song on this album. The Idol being my favorite.
On a side story, I believe I've heard somewhere in passing that a lot of groups kind of get screwed over on record deals, and they don't make much off of the album or the songs. They usually make more money touring.
Oh yeah, this song's basically about the Chainsaw Charlie being a greasy record dealer, record exec or whatever.
I hear a lot of groups, but that's where their bread and butter comes from, touring.
Yeah, but it's a good song, and it's long, so it's my turn to pick a long song.
All right.
So hopefully you like it, and you can get past some of the... I'll just preface it by saying there's a couple of weird lyrics, especially in the beginning, but they mean something at least.
Well, I'm excited, so let's get going.
Ready? All right. I am.
All right. 3, 2, 1, play.
Oh, yeah. Thrash. No.
Is this Silent Lucidity?
It's kind of similar, at least the beginning.
They are poison snakes with double tongues. Horny hedgehogs who do their wrong.
That's like the weirdest lyric. I don't really know what that means exactly.
They are
but once it starts, it really starts, and it really doesn't stop for another 7 minutes.
Government with a parliament of whores.
It's about Sonic the Hedgehog, Tyler.
Can you hear the scream?
Written by Tails.
From the fame machine down in Chainsaw Charlie's morgue.
One of 2 songs I know that have a literal chainsaw in the song.
Another one is that Lumberjack song.
By Lynch Mob, right? I think.
No.
Jackal. It's Jackal.
Yeah, this hit fucking hard.
Oh, yeah. I think this song is a lot better when you understand what it's about, too.
pretty badass.
It totally switched, well, not totally, but it definitely switches gears about halfway through.
I like that.
Yeah. It's such a song just like keeps going.
Are they alive? Or fake studio audience?
Oh, it's fake. It's not alive.
Damn.
God damn, I love that.
Yeah, that may be one of the best things you shared with me yet.
Yeah, I mean, I told you when we listened to Rebel in the FTG that Headless Children is the name of that album. In my mind, that's a masterpiece. That album is perfect. But the Crimson Idol is like almost as perfect. It's really wild.
If you wouldn't explain that song to me, I would have thought it was about Edgar Allan Poe talking about murders in the Rue Morgue.
Yeah, right, exactly. I think the song means a lot more when you understand what it's about. And if you listen to the lyrics and you talk about, sign on the dotted line, here's the one you've waited for all your life, you can kind of piece it together what it's about. But it's just really it's saying something.
It seems like I've been avoiding Wasp for the wrong reasons.
Yeah, there's something. They're really good.
It's like when I discovered Wasp, I was listening to Metallica, Anthrax, Megadeth, and then there's Wasp. And the only song I knew was the song they played on MTV, which was Wild Child or something?
Wild Child, I love that song. But
it just, it's
different than this, for sure.
Yeah. It's like, it just didn't really fit with what I was listening to. And I was like, well, if this is what Wasp is, I don't know if I'm going to like it, so I never got into it.
From album 3 to 4, which is, Inside the Electric Circus is album 3, to album 4, is like the biggest. I listen to a lot of music. That's the biggest change from album to album that I've ever heard in my life. Because Inside the Electric Circus, there's a lot of songs that are like, there's a song called Shoot from the Hip that's basically about a blowjob. But then you go to album 5 and the song's about, or album 4 and the song's about, anti-nuclear war. I mean, and then 5 is the Crimson Idol, which is the concept record. But
that's crazy.
It's an awesome album. I love it.
I think for the longest time, I just assumed that they were just like a heavier version of Cinderella.
No. I mean, that's kind of what they started as. But by the time you get to the Headless Children, there are a lot of their albums focus on issues in the world, and they talk about them.
So, I'm excited to hear more if you got more.
I got more, baby.
You got more?
No, I got more up the yin yang.
Because that was...
I got Wasp up the yin yang.
That was damn good, so that was really damn good.
Yeah, it's good.
So, I guess we'll end it here. So,
right on.
Thanks for watching.